The squat is a basic movement form that demands various joint and muscle integration. Babies squat properly, and then we unlearn this in favor of leaning over. As a dynamic strength training exercise, squats need multiple muscles in your upper and lower body to perform together simultaneously. Many of these muscles assist propel you through everyday duties such as walking, climbing stairs, bending, or lifting heavy goods. They also assist you execute athletic-related tasks. Adding squats to your exercises will help enhance your exercise performance, lower your chance of injury, and keep you moving more freely throughout the day. But these are only a handful of the perks. Keep reading to discover more about the gains you may receive from practicing squats and variants you can attempt for further benefits. What exactly are benefits of performing squats? 1. Strengthens your core. Having powerful abdominal muscles can make ordinary actions like turning, bending, and even standing simpler. Not only that, but a strong core may enhance your balance, reduce discomfort in your lower back, and also make it simpler to maintain proper posture. That compared core muscle contractions during a plank with back squats showed that back squats resulted in higher activation of the muscles that stabilize your back. On the basis of these results, the researchers advocated targeting the core muscles with back squats to minimize the chance of injury and increase athletic performance. 2. Reduces the risk of injury. When you develop the muscles in your lower body, you're more capable to perform full body movements with optimal form, balance, mobility, and posture. Plus, combining squats in your total exercise, the program also helps strengthen your muscles, tendons, ligaments, and bones, which, according to the American Council on Exercise, may help minimize your chance of injury. 3. Crushes calories. Calorie burning is generally connected with aerobic workouts such as running or cycling, but practicing high-intensity, complex exercises like the squat may also smash some major calories. As an example, according to Harvard Medical School, a 210-pound individual may burn around 223 calories undertaking 30 minutes of rigorous strength or fitness activities, such as squats. 4. Strengthens the muscles of your lower body. Your lower body features some of your greatest and most strong muscles. From getting out of bed to sitting down in a chair, your glutes, quads, hamstrings, adductors, hip flexors, and calves are accountable for practically every action you make. Cardio activities like squats may help develop and tone the muscles in your lower body. When these muscles are in excellent shape, you may discover that you can move more easily, with less discomfort, and that everything from walking to bending to exercising is simpler to perform. 5. Boosts athletic ability and strength. If you are involved in a sport, adding jump squats to your exercise may help you build dynamic strength and speed, which, in turn, may help enhance your athletic performance. Study the effects of jump squat training done 3 times a week over the course of 8 weeks. Based on the findings of the study, the researchers concluded that jump squat training has the capacity to increase multiple distinct athletic performances concurrently, including sprint time and explosive strength. 6. Variety helps with motivation. Once you learn the basic squat, you'll discover many various sorts of squat variations you may attempt. Changing up your squats may help keep the workout interesting, while also engaging new muscle areas. Squats may be done with only your body weight. They may also be done with weights, such dumbbells, barbells, kettlebells, or medicine balls, or with resistance bands or yoga balls. 7. Can be done anywhere. To perform squats using your body weight, you don't need any equipment. All you need is your body and enough space to drop your hips into a sitting posture. And if you're tight for time, you can still benefit several muscle groups by performing 50 squats a day. Try doing 25 in the morning and 25 at night. As you grow stronger, add 25 to the afternoon. Which muscles do squats work? If there's one exercise that has the capacity to test most of the muscles in your body, it's the squat. The apparent muscles targeted are in the lower body. But in order to complete this complex exercise effectively, you also need to activate many muscles above your waist. The lower muscles addressed in a squat include your gluteus maximus, minimus, and medius, buttocks, quadriceps, front of the thigh, hamstrings, back of the thigh, adductor, groin, hip flexors, calves. To perform a squat, Start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart and your toes pointing forward. Bend your knees and lower your hips until your thighs are parallel with the ground. Then, push through your heels and stand back up to the starting position. To increase the difficulty of this exercise, you can hold weights or use resistance bands. Incorporating squats into your workout routine can help you build stronger quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Performing appropriate squats is vital to avoid injury and ensure that you're targeting the right muscles. Repeat for the appropriate amount of repetitions, being careful to maintain perfect form throughout the whole exercise. It's also vital to remember to breathe during the workout, inhaling as you drop down and exhaling as you stand back up. Additionally, beginning with bodyweight squats and progressively increasing weight as you grow stronger will assist avoid injury and maintain perfect technique.